tell you one thing right now. That collar is the easiest to hang in trees, how we designed it. Call it fence hanging technology. We got a good stand here. This should work. I'm gonna start off like normal. I'm gonna go to the coyote folder, hunt and whines, pup submissive. Then I go to another sound, a submissive sound. And then we're gonna follow up. Coyote's out in 3 o'clock. I'm gonna go to that, I call it DS adult coon. In my head it's called extreme coon because that's what I called it years ago. Do what? There's a lot of down there. You're gonna have to be more specific. Okay, I see him. I'm gonna grab my wind indicator and check the wind. Oh, the wind's blowing right to him. Tell me when it's good. I love it when things are right. These sounds are from a library that I haven't released yet. They're off the wall sounds. I got cats, I got coons, I got kittens, I got all kinds of weird stuff that coyotes come to the call and a lot of people don't use, and they're very unconventional. And that's what I want. Unconventional equals dead coyotes. Just like on that stand, everything went perfect. Another big old coyote. Look at that. Big old coyote. We're still in Kansas, obviously. This is the second stand. I'm really excited about this stand because we finally started to break out the Dog Soldier sound library, and that is DS Adult Coon. Now, we're offering these sounds at tacticalpredatorhunter.com. You can't buy the sounds individually, but you can buy an FLX 500 or 1000 with the whole library on them, or you can just buy the library. These sounds are working. If you see them in the library, I've killed coyotes with them, not somebody else. I have. I'm loving it. This is Dog Soldier. Don't go nowhere. We'll be right back. We're in Kansas. We're gonna kill more coyotes.